Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olanma. Thanks for watching this video if you're actually watching it right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to recharge a butterfly locks, and I've had these for 4 months now, and you can see that it has growth all over. So if you plan on carrying this hair for a long time, I would advise that you retouch the root from time to time. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm basically going to be doing the front for myself just because I just want a different look for this summer. Summer is almost over and I've had this locks all summer, so I just want a different look. But if you're a person that plans to leave it for a long time, then you need to do a retouch. And sorry, the lighting in this video is going to fluctuate a lot, so please bear with me because I recorded this video with my phone. So I'm going to be using this spring twist hair that I got from Amazon to do the retouch. I'm basically going to be using about 3 strands for the front of my hair, but if you would like to do your entire hair, I think 1 pack would be enough to do a retouch for your entire hair. So now I'm just going to be taking a piece of the spring twist, and I'll be using it to wrap over my head and my roots. Make sure that you wash your hair and condition and also moisturize if you plan on leaving this hair for a long time. Please wash your hair. I didn't wash mine because I'm going to be taking it down as soon as possible. So if you're going to leave it for a while, please wash your hair, use your oils, moisturize your hair before you do this. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. Use the piece that you have and then use it to wrap over your roots properly. Make sure it hits the root of your hair if you want it to last you a while. So yeah, that's what I did in this video and I'm doing right now. So you can choose to wrap all the way down if you want, or you could just stop somewhere like right after your roots, and then make sure you tie it properly and secure it just so it doesn't come off. So that's what I'm basically going to be doing. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're pleased with my content and it's something that you'd like to see, please do subscribe. And also, please don't forget to let me know the kind of videos you guys would like to see on my channel, just so I'm giving you exactly what you want to watch. You can just leave your comments down in the description just so I can know what you like to watch. I'm just going to leave it right here so you guys can watch. Please make sure you watch to the end. I'm going to be showing you my go-to way of rocking this style. I would assume that some of you work, and I work as well, and sometimes when you have a bob, it could get on your face quite often. So if you're the type that goes to work and you like to keep it far away from your face, I'm going to be showing you guys how to style it. So I'm going to leave it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to leave comments down below. Let me know what you'd like to see on my channel or what you'd like me to show you guys, and I will do it. So have a good day and stay blessed, everyone.